Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be showcasing the Kuvings REVO830 slow juicer. Kitchen enthusiasts all over the world know one thing about Kuvings, the brand's premium goods and ongoing work on cold press juicing technology. And you know what? They may have just surpassed themselves with the release of the Kuvings REVO830. Let's find out more about what sets this model apart from the competition. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively subscribe to this channel for regular updates. To begin with, the REVO830 is a single auger juicer, so by pulling the body further along the screw, the auger breaks the contents into smaller and smaller pieces until you get a colorful paste as it passes through the high-pressure pressing stage close to the fine end of the filter. By grinding and rubbing the plant material together, you can get a smoother cold press extraction, which makes for a tasty and healthy drink that's definitely Instagram-worthy. Some older models of juicers may not have gotten this quite right, needing some extra effort when juicing large pieces of ingredients like beetroot. The pressing action of other juicers most of the time leads to soggy pulp and expensive ingredient waste. But the REVO830 is dedicated to being a reliable device that can withstand the pressure necessary to make it the most effective vertical slow juicer. Now, if you've ever used a high-speed centrifugal juicer, you know that the juicing process takes much less time with a masticating juicer. So how can you cut down on the time it takes to prepare the juice without sacrificing the benefits of cold pressing? Well, Kuvings secured a high-quality dual feed that prioritizes productivity. On one hand, the 88mm flip-gate lid can accommodate whole apples, big bananas, full-sized avocados, as well as several large pieces of vegetables. Even if you mistakenly overload the juicer, it'll stop itself and you can restart it right away by rapidly switching the motor to reverse. On the other hand, the 43mm wide auger need the auto-cutting section. Make sure that you don't need to trim long ingredients like carrots and celery before adding them. Just put them in and the machine will handle the rest for you. In terms of mixing, this unit has an innovative smart cap that makes sure the drink's ingredients, like ginger, lemon, or matcha, are well mixed before you pour it into your cup. You'll be pleased with how this helps produce a dry pulp that's great for making salsa or sauce and smooth smoothies, shakes, and juices. On another note, the device is almost on par with commercial juicers thanks to its new, more powerful engine. In actuality, the REVO830 can operate twice as long as the previous EVO820 model and has up to 40% more torque. It has 240 watts of electricity, so it can juice in a low setting in case you don't really want a homogeneous juice, but you can also turn it up to make quick smoothies on the go. Moving on with optional accessories, including the citrus juicer module, it's way easier to extract citrus fruits without first peeling them. All you have to do is push half of the fruit against the revolving reamer. If you want a mixture that marries the pulpiness of juices and the density of smoothies, you can use the smoothie screen and the homogenizing blank that's ideal to make sauces, nut butters, and frozen fruit desserts, among other common pureeing tasks. Up next, let's have a look at the cleaning process before you get your hands on this bad boy. Well, not a lot of us enjoy this part of the story, but the wraparound screen brush might change the game. Whilst cleaning up is a pain to do so with most cold press juicers, Kuvings provides a number of cleaning brushes that make short work of clearing out the filter holes in the juicing screen. The screening tool can do the hard work more quickly and conveniently. Engineered to extract the most juice from fruit and vegetables with the least amount of effort, the Kuvings REVO830 slow juicer is arguably the device we've all been waiting for. It might come with a higher price tag than others, but you're definitely getting what you paid for at the end of the day since it comes with dependability, less wasted ingredients and attachments that'll get you deeper into your juicing practice and healthier palate. And there you have it, folks, everything you need to know about the Kuvings REVO830 slow juicer. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at trustedshopguy.com again soon.